Hello everyone, in today's video we shall learn about filters, how we can use filters in Notion, especially in databases. If we have about 100 or even 1000 pages, that is quite a lot of pages that we have. So with filter it can narrow down the content, and filters can be really helpful in those cases. So let's take a look at how we can use filters. Filters can be used inside a database. The database can be anything. So using the prompt command, we have all of these databases, full page and inline. I'm going to use the inline table database, and any database has the feature called tags, that is the multi-select or single select. But literally any of these property types can be used inside a filter. So I'm going to rename this as recipes, and I'm going to rename this as a dish, and let's call this, let's say, type of food, because it is recipe, right? I'm going to change this to single select, and I'm going to put in some content, like it can be anything at all depending on what content you have. So yeah, I'm going to type in few dishes, ice cream, fried rice, granola. Okay, so I'm going to give a type, or basically it's a tag or a keyword. So yeah, pizza is quite like a snack, so it is. So let's just type in snack. Pasta is snack as well. Ice cream is also, it's actually a dessert, so let's put it there. And um, let's actually do lunch for pasta, and fried rice for dinner, and granola for breakfast. I think we have covered most of the types, so let's go ahead and delete the last one because we don't have anything in there. So basically we have all of this. Actually, let's go ahead and put in. So I guess 7 pages is a good start to show you guys how filters can work inside a database. So in case you're new to Notion, all of these headings, as you can see, like when you hover over the database, only then you get this option, add a view, search, all these 3 dots, open as a page, and new. But when you go outside of it, it just goes away. So all you have to do is just hover over it and go straight to the 3 dots where you have all of these options, and the option that we want, and it is filter. So click on it once and you get this option. So click on add a filter and you have these 2 options. If you have like a lot of options going on inside your database, you can definitely use the add a filter group option, but we are going to keep it simple, so I'm going to select add a filter. So when you click on add a filter, this toolbox comes up on the screen, and you can play around with the options. Since we have only dish and type here, those 2 are the only headings that we have, the columns that we have, so that is what's present here. If you have about 10 columns, all 10 columns will be present over here. So I want to filter it down by the type, that is, it can be breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, or a dessert. So I'm going to click on type, and it automatically changes to the type it is. So I can just click on this box. This is also a drop down, which from where I can pick my options. So let's say I want to narrow down my database to just breakfast. So I can just click on breakfast and click out, and we have 2 breakfast options. We have granola, we have dosa as well. So let's go ahead and change the filter to see what else we can do and how it shows up. Once you set the filter option will be there itself. You don't need to go to the 3 dots and again filter itself. So going back to filter, let's change it to, let's say, snack, and for snack we have pizza. So this is how filters work, and in case you don't want filter, you have just few number of pages, you can go ahead and remove the filter. To remove the filter, click on these three dots and you have remove the filter. You can duplicate it, turn it into a group, and all that fun sort. So I'm going to leave it at that. So it's really fun, you know. If you have a recipe book or something, you can navigate um, through all of the dishes like this. Like if you want to search for dinner, just enable the dinner, and in case you want breakfast options, you have breakfast right here, which is super cool and um, really efficient if we have about 1,000 or 10,000 pages. So the filter option is really helpful and efficient like that. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.